This is me driving the welding truck. Oh boy, oh boy. Let's see how this goes. Actually, I've driven this one a lot, so I'm not too terrible worried. Got power steering too, which is nice because not all years of model of this truck, I'm betting, have power steering. It's got the 4 on the floor. That's fun. I enjoy that. Excellent. The speedometer and stuff works. Not all trucks that is the case, or not all vehicles that is the case. So it'll be nice to be able to know how fast I'm going and that I have gas in my tank. Fucking idiot. What do you think of that stuff? Oh boy, oh boy. Alright, I think that's enough. So I am listening to Rabble Rousing, episode number, what is it? 49 of Hello Internet. And they, funnily enough, Brady, Gray, love you guys. You funnily brought up the problem I have been exactly having, that I can't show that I do Hello Internet while driving all of the shit that I drive around. So I figured I'd throw this in, because I can't take a photo with it. It's talked about in the episode. Anyway, so this is I am a Hello Internet listener. I do it at work, and I do it while I drive tractors and trucks and semis and all of these other things, and figured I'd throw this on the second video I'm putting up. Here's that beautiful welding truck. I really like the blue color with a bunch of crap on the back that I have to unload now. Yep, what a strange vehicle. Oh boy. The interior is really pretty too. He's got the whole interior done in that I think this is called Robin Egg Blue, but I'm not sure. Anyway, that's the welding truck. I just fixed this welder too. This thing was all messed up, and it's old and sucks, and I hate using it. But anyway, later. You guys have a good day.